Find the coordinates of the image of the point half 0 under an anti-clockwise rotation through 90 degrees about the origin. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that a point has the coordinates half 0, and this point is rotated through a 90 degrees angle in the anti-clockwise direction about the origin. The question wants us to find the coordinates of the image. Under a 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation about the origin, the rule for the transformation is xy maps to negative yx. So we are going to use this rule to transform the point half 0. The coordinates of the point is half 0. The rule says that xy will give us negative yx. So the y coordinate of the point will become the x coordinate of the image, and the x coordinate of the point will become the y coordinate of the image. So half 0 will give us 0 half. Now you can see that the x coordinate of the image is supposed to be negative, but when we look at what we have here, the x coordinate is 0. 0 is a neutral number, so it is neither negative nor positive, and so negative 0 will still be 0, and that is why the point half 0 will give us 0 half. So it means that when the point half 0 is rotated through a 90 degrees angle in the anti-clockwise direction about the origin, the coordinates of the image will be 0 half. When we look through the options here, we can see that the correct option is B, 0 half.